see some of the others? Yeah, I got you guys. My bad. We're located in Belleville, Michigan. Is he the only one you got? Yeah. For the hyacinth, we have a hyacinth hybrid here. We're located in Belleville, Michigan, country boy. We do offer same-day shipping anywhere in the U.S. Sun Conures, DM me for pricing. Or not DM me, call or text the store for pricing. We do get violations. But here they are. The red factor right here learned how to fly. This will fly around and show off.
No, he doesn't want to.
Do you have ring neck? Yes. How much is a hyacinth? Call or text the store for pricing, guys. We do get violations. A few ring necks left. I'll show you them in a second here. Hi, cutie. Hi, beautiful. What's up, Stephanie? How are you? How many balloon goals do you have? Like 5 or 6. We're located in Belleville, Michigan. Kayaks, I have one kayak right here. All right, we'll see you soon. Here's my kayak. I have one Quaker left.
Oh, one down.
Where you running to?
Yeah, these little ones are just
A lot of you guys are like between 4 to 6 months.
Look at you.
Can you try to pet them?
Yeah, he's letting me pet him.
Hey, what you doing? You want to hang out? Can we hang out? For pricing, guys, call or text the store. You are so cute. All right, I'll be back. So there's the kayak hanging out, running the front.
Okay, I'm... What are you doing? Let me go back. I'm trying to get a bag.
I don't have the sets on him. And then 2,900. He is about 6 months old. Absolutely.
Go back.
We're in Belleville, Michigan.
Watch that. Be careful with that. What are you showing me?
Absolutely.
Yeah, maybe.
If you have any questions, by the way, still are.
Oh, yeah.
All right, we're back. These are Latino galas. Yeah, we do ship. Same day shipping provided. What are y'all doing? What you doing? Yeah, we do ship, and yeah, I'll show you that from Grace. You're so pretty. I'll show you the Grays right now. Shipping through Delta Cargo. That's the same day flight. You pick them up the same day. You are adorable. All right. Do you have golden conure? Yeah. Golden conure. What are you doing? What's up? What's up? All these guys are very friendly, by the way. You are so cute. I can't pick you up because I gotta work. African Greys. Here's a female right here. Hand feeding still twice a day. Hello. Hey, let me get your attention. Hey. Hi. 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 Hi, beautiful. Hello. Oh, I'm gonna get the phone. Here's another one right here, male. Hold on. Exotic bird shop. Blue and golds, they range anywhere from 5,000 to 7,500. Yeah, Belleville, Michigan. Yes, sir. Guys, pricing, call or text the store. We do get violations for giving it up over live. Yes, Anthony, we are in the process of it. Exotic bird shop.